G'day. Today we're doing an engine service on a 2004 C180 Mercedes compressor, 1.8 litre, supercharged. Now you might find you've got the transmission dipstick here and you've got your engine dipstick here. And there's no dipstick. So you might think, how do I check the oil in it? According to the manual, they have a 5.5 litre engine oil capacity. And basically what you do is you've got this little button here on the left side of the display. You put the key onto position 1. Just wait for a moment. Press that little button there 3 times. And then we scroll through. We're 116 days over on the service. Keep scrolling through here. And then we put the key on position 2. Just wait for a moment. Engine oil level okay. So we're just going to change the engine oil filter and the oil in this one. Your engine oil filter is over here. There's like a little screw cap cover there, and they've got like an oil cartridge. And now to get to the engine drain plug, you need to take this cover off here. If you're doing the transmission service, you need to take this one off as well. Just let it drain out as best as you can, or as long as you can. Okay, we've put 5 litres in, and we haven't started the motor yet, so you can see it's showing 5.11. That'll probably go down a little bit when you start it, by the time it primes the oil filter. Just to refresh, key on the first notch. Press this button 3 times, boom, 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 and scroll down or up here till you find that. So we're just going to start it now. And you can see it immediately drop down to 5.01 litres. We'll just let that circulate through again. And you can see it's going down, 4.9. But you check the oil in the motor with the motor not running anyway. Just let that circulate through, then we'll turn the ignition off, let it sit for a moment and recheck it. Let it running for a moment. First notch. 1, 2, 3. Then over here, just going to go down to there, and then the key onto your second notch. Just wait for a moment. Again, let's see, it's been sitting there for a little bit, so we need another litre of oil. There you go, 4.2 litres. So we need to put in another 1.3 litres. 5.5 litres is the capacity of these particular vehicles, but make sure you check it in your own manual. You try put in about 100 ml at a time, just to make sure you don't overfill it. If you do overfill it, you'll just have to take this plug out here and suck a bit out if you've got a vacuum pump. If you don't, then you've just got to drain it a little bit out from the bottom again. Hope that's helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Throw me a beer if you believe I deserve one. Thank you for watching.